Alright, I'm going to explain to you all how to make discipline so fun that it's hard to be inconsistent. Now, a lot of people think about discipline being boring because it doesn't feel appealing or very achievable, and it's really challenging. You're not really motivated all the time. But the thing is, bro, you're really coming at it wrong. You're looking at it as a wrong vision of being this way, because being fun isn't easy, right? Being fun isn't easy, and the whole thing is what are you really going for that's not going to make it boring? Now, my definition of discipline is pretty much doing the things that help me grow, and the things that don't make me, feel like I'm having a discipline process or being disciplined are the things that don't make me grow. And if you're asking what should you choose between what discipline is and what discipline isn't, all it is, bro, is you have to really come up with that definition on your own. Because my definition, my discipline is praying, working out, spending time with family, meditating, journaling, all types of personal growth, and making content like this. I like making content. So as long as you're doing the things that you really love to do that leads to your personal growth, that's what the disciplined life is like. You're constantly doing it every day, and the fact that it's appealing to you is all that matters about the discipline. So my thing is the reason why I mention all these things that they help me grow is because that's all it is focused on, right? Everybody's putting this bad vibe on discipline because you don't feel like doing it every day, bro. We're human. We don't feel like doing it every day, but God gives us this gift of mind, body, and soul for us to conquer. But the reason is it's really like getting a trophy. So everyone who has played a sport majority of the time has had to reach some type of championship, right? Going to the championship and having this full process of the championship is always fulfilling because you have something that you're working towards. So as you end the season off, let's just say, you don't win. You end the season off by not winning. You have nothing you're going towards now, but now you're going to kick it, you know what I'm saying? You don't have nothing you're really working towards unless you go into conditioning. But the whole thing is, bro, all you're really doing during this journey of trying to get this trophy, if someone were to just give you this trophy, it wouldn't be as fulfilling. So my thing is, bro, you have to always go through the hard times because we're human. We're human. We're not going to always just get everything handed to us, bro. But the fact that we got to work for it, the fact that we look at this big ass mountain that feels like it's unclimbable, it's just not realistic for us to go reach it, is the way we have perceived it. And we shouldn't look at it like that. The way we should look at it is, okay, we take it one step at a time and we just continuously do it because it helps us have a fulfilling mindset. The same way when you're going to that championship. So my thing is, bro, you have to be able to at least make some type of list that is able to make you feel fulfilling, right? A lot of people might be scared because they might think of what people might think of them. But all in all, bro, nobody really cares, because the discipline, making personal growth, having personal growth is the real fun part. That's the fun part, the personal growth. When you have so much that you've gone through and you really look back and see everything that you have accomplished, bruh, that's what helps you keep going. So just take a step back and really look at your life, because everything isn't going to be perfect. Perfection is really impossible, bruh, because the fact that you're striving for perfection shouldn't mean that you need to not do it. It just means that, you're a human and you're facing hard times, right? All it is that you're going to continuously try, and as long as you are continuously trying, you're going to have this fulfilling mindset of being in alignment and being so focused on being disciplined every day that you now feel that version of you becoming and being. Because remember, you are still trying to become this person, but you're also embodying this person as well, this personality. So my thing is, bro, you shouldn't be downplaying anything that you're really doing, bro. You should always just believe in yourself and always just look at the outside looking in, bro, at the bird's eye view, because at the end of the day, bro, all it is you being a better version of yourself. So if this helped anybody to start being disciplined and just, become a better version of themselves, hey, that's all I really made this video for. And I just want to say I love you. I'm proud of you. No one ever told you today. But all it is, bruh, again, you got to be you. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't matter what obstacles you really facing, because I go through it every day. Every day is something different, but I look at it from a bird's eye view, and I'm just thankful for it, bruh. I'm just thankful because my life can be taken from me. And the fact that I'm able to just live every day and be like, okay, thank you, God, you woke me up, means that he's not done with me. So, again, guys, I go through it. We all go through the hard times. That just should not mean that we quit, okay? We don't quit because of hardship. We don't do that. Because once we do that, then discipline won't feel fun. The discipline becomes fun through the fulfillment of doing the same thing every day, because doing the same thing may seem boring, but all it is a fulfillment aspect. So when you really think of it, it's actually fun. So I know this helps somebody out. I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.